Okay, so you're using the page theme, all right, and you want to change the product title font, okay, just like you can see right here. I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to change it. You can see when I change to a vertical, it changed, and now let me go ahead and change to Anton. You can see it changes also. So this is exactly how you can change it. And by the time you're done with this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can change your product title font in your Shopify page theme, just like the way I am doing it like this. You also will be able to do this and you will also become a pro. Now let's get straight to the video. Tataria. So to do this, what we want to do is to come here to our online store. Okay, you want to come to your dashboard just like this. You want to come to online store themes, and you want to come here to your pitch, okay, and editing or customization. Then the next thing is right there in the home page. You want to come here, select products, which I'm sure you want to go to assign products. And right here is the product title. Okay, so I'm just gonna double click this and it's gonna bring me here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do that you're confused about is the moment you get here, you are not seeing anything like font or whatever. So what you want to do is to click on this heading. Okay, then you want to click on custom. All right. The moment you click on custom, you can see now that the font is showing. But now wait, don't go, because I know you might go ahead and be like, oh wow, I've gotten a no. All right, because the moment you click on font, you can see that there is nothing like Atom or all those kind of fonts, okay, or Acme, all those kind of fonts. You can see them here. You're only seeing body, subheading, heading, accents, okay. So the next thing you want to do is you want to change this from body to heading, okay. That's the first step, because any effect we are still going to make changes to this, okay, to these, and any kind of changes we make, if I should make it to the body, it might affect this body here, okay, others body, others normal text down here, okay, all those ones, okay. So it might affect that. So I'm going to first change the fonts to heading. All right. So the moment I do that, the next thing I want to do now is to go to my theme settings. You can also click on theme settings here, but let me just teach you just click this place. This is theme settings, and you want to come here to typography. Okay. So the moment you click on typography, you can see these are the fonts here. Okay. Now this is body, subheading, heading, accent. So I want to change the heading. Okay. Normally it should be body, I'll change, but I already changed it to heading at the other hand. So I'm going to come here to this heading and I'm going to change it right here. So this is now where you're going to go ahead and change it. So you can change it to New York, okay. So you see it's changed, or you can change to Abril Fat Face. So you see it's changed, okay. So this is exactly how you can go about changing it. And I'm sorry, you might notice that the font actually reduced. Let me just put you through that, because a lot of you might be like, oh, Maverick, it's the font size changed. Yeah, so I'm just gonna click this and I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this product information and now double click this again. So it's not gonna take you back to the title, okay. So because sometimes if you press back, it really won't want to show. So just click on any part of the section and double click the title, okay. Or you can easily just come to template here, product information, go back, then double click title here. So it's gonna show. So now again, double click. Yeah, so the size, you can increase the size to any pixel. So yep, so you can see 32 pixel. So this is where you change the size also, okay, for those who don't know how to change the font size. So this is how you do it, okay. Or you can change it to heading, but you have to use custom. Just use custom and change to any kind of heading you want. All right. And that doesn't also matter. Okay, the moment you have it saved, you can easily change it to heading 1, 2, or whatever. So now I've already increased the pixel. Let me just say 48 pixel. I think this is getting too much. Let me make it 40. Okay, yeah. So now I will now go back to my theme settings. Although I've already taught you already, but let me just heading and right there. I just want to show you how to increase the font size. And right here, you can use Anton or whatever it is you want to use. It just redirected me because of too much activity. So yep. So you see, so it's already changed, all right? Or Archivo Black, or whatever it is you want to use, you can use it. Okay, so this is exactly how you can change your font, okay, your product title font in your Shopify page theme. All right, and I believe this video has been helpful. And in case you want to learn how you can add custom fonts in your Shopify page theme, I'll possibly link to it in the video description, or you can check out my channel. I've got several tutorials there for you. You can check out my channel and search for it on my channel, or you can just search for it and and I just have my channel name on YouTube. they're gonna bring it for you. But I'll also possibly link to it in the video description so that you guys can check it out. How you can add custom fonts. So maybe the font you're looking for, you cannot see it here. I can teach you how you can add a custom font to this. Okay, or possibly I might also edit the video and add it to the top of your screen right now, so you can also check it and it might be there for you. Okay, so that way you can easily add any fonts that you want to your pitch team. Okay, so it makes it easy for you to make your store look more beautiful. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video tutorial, and I believe this video has been helpful. Please, if it is, can you make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this for you guys on this channel. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.